me, Elena, from FairyPrincessTV. So today, as you can see from my blindfold, I am doing the Blindfold Slime Challenge. Now, I'm doing 2 rounds. The first round, I don't know. Anyway, okay, never mind. So I'm going to be saying all the different things that are in it. Not all the glitters, because there's so much. Clear glue, regular white glue, shaving cream, a pink sparkle shaker, like glitter shaker, and then a red glitter shaker for Valentine's Day. And then I'm going to be going over my favorite colored glitters, which there's not very many. The sea blue one, this purple one, this gray one with pink, blue, yellow, and black, oh, and gray, I don't know if I said gray, glitter in it. This pink, this blue, and lastly, white. White and yellow. Those are the last ones. So those are the ones that I really want. But there's more. It's just that would take forever to go through them all. And then I've got blue food coloring, neon pink food coloring, and a spoon to mix it, of course. And the most important thing of a blindfold slime challenge, if it's called blindfold, you need a blindfold. So I've got my purple blindfold. And before we get started with this video, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn post notifications on so then you never miss a video. Share this video with friends and family. And if you haven't followed me on all my social medias yet, which is Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter, please go follow me on those 4 beautiful things. The names will be in the corner right here. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay, so now it's time to put my blindfold on. Okay. I'm really nervous for what stuff I get. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. My blindfold's not cooperating today. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Ooh, ooh. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let the challenge begin. Okay. This feels like a glue. Okay. Is this my container? Okay, I think it is. I'm so excited to see what slime and glitter I get and stuff. Okay, feels like... Okay. Okay. I think this is food coloring, so I shouldn't add a lot. Okay, this is so silent. Okay, silent. Oh, Linda. Where's the tear? Hello, can somebody help me? Where's the tear to this? Oh, I think I found it. Okay, is this my bowl? Okay, yeah. How come I have a feeling this is like green or something? And like a gross color. A little help. I think it's coming. I think it's coming. I think it's coming. Okay, that is it. I'm gonna pick 2 more glitter. The sun. Where's the tear? Here? I think this is the tear. Oh my goodness, I felt something. I felt something. What happened? Did something happen with the... What happened? Come here. What happened? Is that anybody there? Oh, whoa, no, nobody there. Lastly, I don't know. This one. This one is what I'm gonna pick. Where's the tear here? Can you please make a tear here? Because I don't know if there's a tear. Where? Here. You guys, is this a good glitter? Is this good? Good. I mean, oh goodness. Goodness gracious. Okay, that feels like good. Wait, what? Okay. Think that's good? Is that good, guys? Wait. Oh! That's not in my, oh no. Okay, this is my container. Got it. Okay. Oh my. I can't believe that. I'm just gonna reach out and do this. Okay. Okay. This is the activator, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Okay. I'm mixing and I like it. Yeah, I'm mixing. Ooh. I'm mixing and I know it with that double wrench. I already got some. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with my hands now. So get this off of my spoon. Whoa! This feels amazing! Woo! I love the feel of this. This is alive. This is unbelievable. This is wow. You guys, what color is it? Is it blue? Dude, I've got so many blue slimes. I don't know if I'm looking the right way. I've got so many blue slimes. I think I've got like more than 3 blue slimes. I have more than 3 blue slimes, so I hope this is pink. Okay, there's still stuff in here. Okay, I'm gonna uncover my blindfold in 3, 2, 1. Oh! What the? Oh! Oh my gosh! I made a mess! Look at it! Glitters everywhere. There's shaving cream. Oh my goodness. But look at this. Oh wow. It's like a princess, like a baby pink. Look at it. Oh my goodness. What glitter did I add? Let's see. The used glitter, it looks like. This is kind of still a little sticky. The pink. Oh, I got the gray glitter. Let's see. Oh, this is used, so I got this. And then, what was the third one? What was the third one? What was the third glitter? Green? I got green? Okay, this is still a little sticky, so I'm gonna add a little more. But this is literally got like a baby pink, guys. Anyway, there's still shaving cream, and I gotta get that in. Oh my goodness, this is just so pretty. Whoa. And listen to that. Sounds weird. Oh my goodness, so this is a fluffy slime. Fluffy princess. Okay, now it's starting to get darker. It's like a princess slime. Like, black. Me and my dad do funny voices sometimes. Oh my goodness. And you guys probably already know what to comment down below. What you want me to do next? And, oh, I didn't think I said that at the beginning. Anyway, and most of all, I want you guys to comment which slime looks more pretty, cooler, and looks like it's less sticky. But this is from back earlier. See, it's starting to come off now because of what I did. You guys, this is just so pretty. I don't know if you guys are gonna say, I think she could do better on the other one. And like the other one would be my favorite. This one, I mean, if you're a boy, then probably, because, I mean, I have a friend that likes pink. It's a boy, but he moved to like what, Colorado? Yeah, Colorado. Oh no, my Band-Aid's coming off. Cannot have a Band-Aid in my slime. I'm gonna take all this stuff off and like take the Band-Aid off. Okay, let me take this off real quick. Then we're gonna go to the next round because I wanna do one last stretch before we go to the next round for you guys. Oh my goodness, where is the... Okay, so now I'm gonna try and make a bubble for you guys. I'll move this container. Okay, let's see. All right. Flatten it, flip it. It's probably not, yeah. I mean, it's still really good slime. This is probably maybe my favorite slime. Oh my goodness, this is the only pink slime I have. Because the other one that looks like pink is purple. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? Let's get into round 2. Okay guys, now it's round 2, and this one is from Three Sisters. It's Volcano slime. So first I'm gonna add all the slime because this is all 1 cup and it's glow in the dark blue. Whoa, but we are not gonna be making blue because I have so much blue. We're gonna be adding red food coloring to make it purple. That looks like it's it. Okay, yep, that's it. Now we're gonna add some food dye, or like food coloring, and we've got this straw to stir it. A blue, or not blue, purple, or not purple, yellow. I'm just saying all these colors. Okay, we're gonna start with that much. Let's see what'll happen. See if it'll turn purple. Oh, it's starting to turn red. Well, red's fine. I mean, red's not too bad. Just as long as... Ooh, it's like a violet color, like a ruby color. That's pretty. This is my first ever red slime. The slime's already glowing in the dark. Dude. Okay, so it didn't turn out purple, but it's this really pretty ruby color, and I really like it. It's already glowing in the dark glow, though. Oh, wait, there's still some glue. Oh, that was a huge chunk. It's turning purple! Oh! Oh my goodness. One. Let's see if I want to stop. You guys, it's turning purple. Oh my goodness. That's... Oh my goodness. That's like magenta. Let's wait for it and like stir it. There we go. There's a huge chunk. Let's mix it in. Whistle while you work. Whistle while you work. We also need to get it all from the sides. You guys, this is taking a long time. My hand's starting to get tired. So this is gonna be a glow-in-the-dark erupting, you know, slime. This is gonna be cool. And guys, what you need for this slime is borax, vinegar, and water combined in a cup, any type of cup. And then you need baking soda, and that's what makes it erupt. Okay, I think I'm done with the glue now. And if it's not purple, it's fine. Ooh, that's better than purple. That's better than purple. I love that. Okay. Okay, so that's the color. There's the color. It's a really pretty, like, ruby-like color. And I love the color ruby. It's just so pretty. Mwah. Okay, now I'm going to add baking soda. And then this should make the slime lighter. Dude, this is already slime. Kind of. Ooh, you guys, it made it brighter. Look at that slime. It's pretty, it's gorgeous. Oh, there's a lot on the bottom. It's not done getting mixed up. Okay, now there's glue all over my hands. Check. To-do list. Check. Let's see. What's next? Let's see. Getting glue all over my hands. Check. Okay. Next. Bubbles are starting to be made, but guys, now we're gonna go in the bathroom, shut the light off, and see it erupt in the dark. So then it'll glow. I'm so excited to see it. I'll see you in the bathroom. Alright guys, and just in case it doesn't glow in the dark, I got my flashlight so then we can see what's going on. So let's shut that off. Okay, where's the cup? Okay. I don't know if it's rising. Okay, it's not glowing in the dark. So I'm gonna turn the light back on. It's fizzing a lot, look at that. It's rising, no, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Look at that, it's rising so much. It moves so much. It's been rising. No, don't erupt. I mean, I want it to erupt, but I don't want it to erupt. Oh my goodness, it's almost gonna overflow. My hand's getting so tired. Oh my god, it's so close to erupting. Oh, look at that! Probably a centimeter more than it's gonna erupt. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's starting to erupt. Look at that. It's dripping! Ah! I'm gonna hold it by the handle. Ah! I'm scared. Look at it. The whole bathroom's gonna be pink. I don't know if it'll glow. It's not glowing. Turn it back on. Oh my goodness. So it's not glowing in the dark slime, but it's erupting slime. Ah! Sorry. I'm just nervous and excited. One more scream out so that I can get it. Ah! Okay. Sorry. Okay. And my head's getting so tired. Okay. So then we gotta keep. Okay, let's get this out to the table and compare. Okay guys, so here's how the slime turned out. It's really pretty and really stretchy. And every second it makes so many bubbles, so I can't pop them all, and I'm like, this is too much pressure. So now I'm gonna try and make a bubble, because I saw Three Sisters and apparently the bubbles rise. Let's see. Blow them? I'm waiting for it to stretch a lot. Oh, I didn't make a bubble. We'll try again. Let's try again. Wait. It's actually not too bad. It actually smells like cookie dough, to be honest. I know that's weird, but it does. Wait, I think I know. Whenever I pop my slime, It's always easier too. I don't like the single poke, so I'm just gonna. Okay, now it should make a bubble. Please make a bubble. Please make a bubble. Hardly made a bubble. I should have waited to see if it rose. Okay, let's try one last time with a bubble. One last time. Okay, now let's try this. It is rising. Thing is rising. Okay, so I'm going to show you the bottle and what happened to the bottle. So here's what happened to the bottle. Now the straw's sticking to it. There's still some slime. But it was really sticky at first, but then when we added the fizz and stuff, it began less sticky. Began to be. What the heck? There we go, because there was still slime in there. There's still some, oh, I know. Okay, I'll just get the rest out later, you know. Okay, so you guys, now I'm gonna get the pink slime. So I'm gonna get the pink slime, or let's snap my fingers for the pink slime. Ready? It'll fall. Yes! Okay, it didn't fall, but that's fine. So now we're gonna compare these slimes. Whoa, look at all the bubbles. Look at all the bubbles on there. And look at this is metallic slime. Metallic versus metallic versus volcano slime. Let's see. So here's the metallic fluffy slime. It's a princess color. I call this princess slime because it's got sparkles and it's pink. And most princesses have like pink dresses, pink crown.
Few moments later.
And pink everything. And it's like shiny and there's glitter in it. What princess doesn't have glitter? First is this cool volcano slime. And this is almost really close to the volcano rock color. So this is basically a volcano color. Well, I call it volcano color, but you guys can call it whatever you want. But I'm going to name this slime like I named this slime, princess slime. I'm going to name this slime Ruby or volcano slime. Ruby volcano slime. That's what I'm going to name it. Because it's a color, the color is basically a bit darker than Ruby, but it's still really close to Ruby. And if I had to pick one, let's test everything. So first I'll do pokes. They're basically the same. They're basically the same. Now we're gonna do bubbles. This one's probably gonna win. Oh, that was a fail. Hold on. Let's do it one more time. We're gonna give these ones 2 chances to make bubbles. There we go. That's what I always do with bubbles. Take this piece because it's cracking and like stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna move this slime. Or we're just gonna move it here because for this one. Wait. Okay, yeah. At first I was like, wait, because I was stretching it. So we'll do that one next. And then we'll do one more because I've got one more. Let's flatten this. Oh my goodness, even this cloth is moving. And the slime. This slime's kind of slippery. Oh, it's turning. Oh. This one can't manage to make bubbles, so this one gets the win. But for bubble cracks, last time this one actually won, so it's a tie because the reason is because, you know, this one you can hear louder. It's just camera's kind of quiet. I don't know. It's just, well, actually you can hear this one louder, but it's just this one feels so much more cooler when you poke it. Okay, anyway, now we're going to do one last one, which is stretchiness. This one's pretty stretchy. Oh, it tore. So it went pretty far. It went to here. Or like to here. It went to here. So now we're going to do this one. I think this one can go. Oh, wait. I stretched it too fast. The other one I did slowly. This one wins. Oh, no, I need to move. I'm going to move because I don't want it to get... Wait, let's take a bit of this. Okay, real quick, I'm going to take a little bit of each and see what they make together. Like what color, how it feels. I'm excited. It's closer to this slime, the pink princess one, but here it is. It tears even when I go slowly. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys, that was the video. Make sure and remember to comment down below which slime is gonna be and have to be your favorite princess slime or Ruby Volcano slime. Okay, make sure to blow up the subscribe button and then put some sparkles on the like button and then make sure to make sure the notification bell erupts with sparkle and share the video with friends and family. And if you haven't followed me on all my social medias yet, which is shiny or sparkly Instagram, sparkly TikTok, erupting Facebook, and erupting Twitter, please go follow me on those 4 sparkling erupting things. The names are in the corner right here. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to tell me in the comments down below which is your favorite